Garlic isn't just a flavor booster for your favorite meals. It's a tiny powerhouse with amazing health perks that people have loved for ages. Stick around, because we're about to uncover some seriously cool things about garlic that will change the way you see it in your kitchen. You ready for this? First up, let's talk about your immune system. Feeling a little under the weather? Garlic might just be your new best friend. It's famous for its ability to bolster our body's defenses. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can reduce the number of colds you get each year, and even if you do catch one, garlic can shorten its duration. It's like having a tiny, natural bodyguard fighting off germs for you. So next time you feel a sniffle coming on, consider adding an extra clove to your dinner. Now, let's move on to something incredibly important: heart health. This is where garlic truly shines. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and research suggests that garlic can have a significant impact on lowering it. It works by helping to relax and widen your blood vessels, which makes it easier for blood to flow through. Think of it as a natural way to ease the pressure on your entire cardiovascular system. But that's not all. Garlic also helps with cholesterol levels. Specifically, it can help lower LDL cholesterol, often called the bad cholesterol, which can build up in your arteries. By keeping your blood pressure and cholesterol in check, you're taking a huge step toward maintaining a healthy heart for years to come. It's a simple, delicious addition to your diet that could make a real difference. Beyond heart health, garlic is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. What are antioxidants? They're compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and various health issues. The antioxidants in garlic, particularly one called allicin, which is also responsible for its strong smell, help combat this. Oxidative stress. This cellular protection is key to long-term health and vitality. And there's more. Some early research points to garlic's potential in other areas too. For example, its antibacterial and antifungal properties are well documented. Historically, it was even used to treat wounds and infections. While we have modern medicine for that now, it just goes to show how powerful this natural ingredient is. There's even ongoing research into its effects on bone health and athletic performance. The list just keeps growing. So, how can you get more of this amazing food into your diet? It's easier than you think. You can crush or chop it and add it to stir fries, soups, and sauces. Roasting whole cloves makes them sweet and mild, perfect for spreading on toast. You can even infuse olive oil with garlic for a flavorful dressing. The key is to crush or chop it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This helps activate the allicin, maximizing its health benefits. To wrap it all up, garlic is so much more than a simple flavoring. It's a natural immune booster, a champion for heart health, and a rich source of protective antioxidants. By making this small, flavorful addition to your daily meals, you're investing in your long-term well-being. It's one of the easiest and tastiest health hacks out there. What are your favorite ways to use garlic? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your recipes and ideas. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next one.